Welcome to the best picks. The best Melamine Sponge 100 is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning tools you can find on the market, boasting remarkable cleaning capabilities and ease of use, perfect for tackling stubborn stains and grime on various surfaces. In this video, we will explore its unique properties, applications, and provide a comprehensive review to help you decide if it's the right cleaning solution for your needs. Number 5. Magic Sponges Cleaning Eraser. Say hello to effortless cleaning. It's a chemical-free, odorless sponge that only needs water to work its magic. Simply wet it, squeeze, and wipe away dirt and grime. Forget abrasive cleaners. This amazing sponge uses only water to clean various surfaces without causing damage. It's gentle yet powerful. Just dampen it with water, squeeze, and wipe. It effortlessly removes grease, dirt, and dust from a wide variety of surfaces. It's that simple. After each use, simply rinse it with water. The dirt will be released from its pores, making it ready for your next cleaning task. It's incredibly reusable. Easily cut it to any shape or size to fit your cleaning needs. Its versatility makes it perfect for tackling even the toughest cleaning challenges. From kitchen appliances to car interiors, this sponge tackles a wide range of surfaces. Clean your floors, furniture, and more with ease. But remember to avoid delicate surfaces. For best results, avoid scrubbing too hard. Don't use it on your skin or shiny surfaces like car finishes or computer screens. Use it responsibly for best results. What we like? It's completely chemical-free and only needs water to work its magic. This makes it perfect for those who are environmentally conscious or have sensitive skin. If you're looking for a simple, effective, and safe cleaning solution, this is the one for you. What people say. They make sneakers look brand new by effortlessly removing scuff marks and dirt. They remove stains from counters, sinks, and even soap scum in the shower without needing harsh chemicals. Great for cleaning up smudges on my fridge, microwave, and even baseboards. Number 4. Melamine Cleaning Sponges. Say hello to 100 premium melamine cleaning sponges, perfect for tackling tough messes around your home. These versatile sponges are ready to make cleaning easier and more efficient. They're made from high-quality melamine foam, ensuring superior cleaning power and durability. Experience the difference of a truly effective cleaning sponge. Each sponge measures 3.9 by 2.4 by 0.8 inches, but it's easily cut to fit any shape or size you need. Get the perfect tool for every cleaning task. From kitchen counters to bathroom tiles, these sponges tackle dirt and grime in every room. Use them on walls, doors, floors, shoes, even your toilet. Simply moisten it with water, squeeze, and wipe. It's that easy. These sponges are a convenient and effective way to clean various surfaces. Remember, it's normal for these sponges to wear down over time due to their material. This is similar to how an eraser works. What we like? This bulk pack offers incredible value and the sponges can be cut to any size you need. It's perfect for tackling a wide range of cleaning tasks around the house. If you need a cost-effective solution for various cleaning needs, this is your best bet. What people say. These sponges are made of the exact same material, work just as well, and are so affordable I can use them for anything and everything. My smooth stovetop stays sparkling, my non-stick pans come clean without scratching, these work on practically everything. Melamine sponges are the generic of the magic eraser. Even if they wear out more quickly than the branded ones, they slowly crush and disintegrate like stationary erasers do, turning into crumbs. For a massively cheaper price, they still work essentially as a block of wet sandpaper. You can get any dirt off of anything, taking years and years of grime off of floors, faucets, light switches, bathtubs. Be careful not to sand right through the sealant on your tub, walls, even matte or flat paint finishes survive if you're careful, plastics, you name it. It'll take water stains out of your sink and get stains off of the counter. Scorch marks and brown marks on the ends of Pyrex dishes cone off so easily, much better than barkeepers or SOS pads. I really liked using them on the house windows followed by a microfiber cloth. I finally was able to get the inside back windshield in my car clean without streaks. I used it on my stainless flatware that is about 45 years old and it looks great now. And where a chef's or paring knife blade meets its handle there was always a little smudgy mark or stain and this product took all of that off. Enamel pots, pans and the drip pans on the stove all looks terrific. It's great for the chrome racks in the toaster oven which I'd been racking my brains over how to clean. I purchased a very old bread pan at a yard sale knowing that I could use this product to clean it, and it looks really good now. Number 3. Magic Melamine Sponges 100 Pack. These aren't your average sponges. They're lab tested to last a year and provide 3 times the cleaning power. Say goodbye to stubborn stains. They effortlessly remove soap scum, grease, and scuff marks from various surfaces. It's a safe and effective way to clean. The odorless, non-toxic formula uses NASA-grade melamine foam to dissolve stains quickly. Each sponge provides 100+ scrubs, saving you money and reducing waste compared to disposable wipes. Simply wet it, squeeze out excess water, and gently wipe away stains. It rinses clean and air dries for multiple uses. With 100 sponges, you'll have plenty on hand for all your cleaning needs. Their slim design makes storage a breeze. What we like? It's lab tested to last a whole year and cleans 3 times more effectively than regular sponges. This means less waste and more cleaning power. If you value durability and efficiency, this is the right choice for you. Number 2. SmilePowo Magic Sponges. It's great for tough kitchen messes, grease, burnt-on food, and more. This makes cleaning your home easier than ever before. These sponges are 2x thicker and stronger than others. They're designed for long-lasting cleaning power, saving you money in the long run. Made of eco-friendly melamine foam, they're chemical-free. Even children can use them safely to clean up crayon marks and scratches. Simply wet it with water, squeeze, and wipe. It's a gentle and effective cleaning alternative to harsh chemicals. After each use, just soak it in water. The water molecules will clean it automatically. No need to knead it. We're committed to your satisfaction. Contact us if you have any issues, and we'll provide a solution within 24 hours. What we like? These sponges are extra thick and made from eco-friendly melamine foam. They're tough enough for even the toughest messes, yet gentle enough for delicate surfaces. If you prioritize both cleaning power and environmental responsibility, this is the one for you. What people say. They are very durable and for a great price. They not only cost way less, they are far more durable and clean far better than the brand name product. I use these to clean everything. I clean my sinks, walls, counters, showers, and toilets with these. I also clean my tile grout with them too. Number 1. Magic Sponge Eraser 100 Pack. Say hello to our extra thick and long-lasting melamine sponges, perfect for tackling tough cleaning jobs. It's designed to save you time and money. These aren't your average sponges, they're twice as thick and strong, providing superior cleaning power that lasts. You'll get more cleaning done with each sponge. Simply wet it, squeeze, and wipe. It effortlessly lifts away dirt and grime without harsh chemicals, leaving surfaces looking like new. These sponges are a favorite among cleaning professionals for their incredible value and effectiveness. Stock up and save on your cleaning costs. From kitchen counters to bathroom tiles, it tackles grease, soap scum, and even stubborn marks with ease. It's the ultimate all-purpose cleaning tool. Order your Magic Sponge Eraser 100 Pack now and experience the difference. It's the smart, effective, and economical choice for all your cleaning needs. What we like? It's extra thick and designed to last a long time, making it a cost-effective choice. It's also incredibly easy to use and tackles a wide range of cleaning tasks. If you are looking for a durable, versatile, and easy-to-use cleaning solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They're nice-sized, sturdy, and work quite well. This brand holds up to the task. This is a great deal and they do excellent for cleaning marks and scuffs on our sailing catamaran. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.